Say hello.
Uh,
Aunt Doreen.
Hello.
Where's your nose? What's that?
That.
What is that?
That.
Where's your ears? Ear? Where's your mouth?
Ma.
Where's your hair? Where's your feet?
Feet. Feet.
You're gonna do the buttons? Oh, you want the flashback on? Okay. Say hello, everybody.
Okay.
Where's the baby? Where's Bam? What? The button? Krabby. Say bye-bye. What are you going to do? Oh, you're going to wear it? Well, nobody can see you now. Here. Now they can see you. Oh, okay. Show everybody how crabby you are. This is Cash if he doesn't get his own way. Bye-bye.